I like this question. I think it's important that when we find business tools that we feel are useful, that we should invite others to come look at, consider, review the same tools. Quora is a business tool for me. For lots of reasons, it's a business tool. So I'd like to invite people to come to Quora as well. So there's 5 ways you can do this. And the first is to simply tell them Quora.com. Quora.com. That's the easiest answer. Say, go look at Quora. Quora.com. A lot of people don't know what it is. That's number 1. Number 2 might be simply tell them that you're on Quora and tell them to go visit your Quora profile. Now, this is something I have that not a lot of people have. Look at my URL up there. It's profile/Teddy-2207. That's not my handle. My handle is this. My handle is Quora.com/profile/TL I got in on the early days when we can customize our Quora URL. That is my Quora URL. Now, what happens though is LinkedIn decided to take away all customized profile URLs, and it reverted me back to Teddy-2207. But give them your Quora
Another thing
profile
you can do
URL is you could direct them to your Quora space if you in fact have a Quora space, which I do. My LinkedIn Professionals Quora space is a growing space, got 1,200 followers, and I could just simply tell them to go visit masterlinkedin.quora.com. Give them that URL, and that could be beneficial as well, especially if the space is about a topic that is relevant and or of interest to them. Now, what else could I do? I could give them my Quora referral code. Now, this is actually a little tricky to find. It took me a while to remember where it is, but if I feel that they could get enough value out of Quora that they would be willing to become a Quora Plus member, which gives them access to all of the gated content, I may give them my Quora Plus referral code. Now, let me see if I can show you where that is. It's hidden. It's hidden at Quora.com/settings/Quora_plus. I don't know why it's hidden, but it's on basically, my monetized page. And there it is right there. Refer friends to Quora. So I can copy that URL. It's a long URL. I don't know why it is, but I could copy that URL and I could send that to them as well. Here's a 5th way you could do it. You could have a piece of content on Quora that you wrote. You could bring up that piece of content, view it. Even easier than that, you can simply hit the 3 dots and copy the link to that piece of content, i.e. an answer that you wrote, and you could send them the link to that answer. So there's lots of different ways that you can invite someone to come to Quora. Let me repeat. Number 1, send them to Quora.com. Number 2, send them to your Quora profile. Number 3, you could send them to your Quora space if you in fact have a Quora space. Number 4, you could send them to a piece of content, an answer, or even a post that you wrote on Quora that you want them to view. And lastly, if you are a Quora partner in the Quora Partner program, you could send them the link to the Quora Plus membership, your referral link. Any of these could be useful depending upon why you are inviting someone to Quora. I'm Teddy. I'm a proud Quora contributor, and I hope these ideas are helpful for you.